This is your chance to showcase your skill, the biggest stage of the volleyball scene here in the Philippines. But right now, PLDT is playing at high speed. Where cut nasa bottom half yung Duskovi ng kabilang pool ay magre-relax na lang sila because we saw Chocomocho, but you also have Lena Samoilenko waiting for that pipe attack. Now blocking is also on point for PLDT. Very important for a team to be able to establish that first pass first. Kanina pa nahihirapan yung Duskovi. That's why hindi nila gets that second ball para kahit papano yung attackers hindi na mababawasan sa harapan.
And Yandok going short. Ancheta was blocked. Amaru from back row. Look at this effort by PLDT. Good try, but it's not enough. Duskovi will get that point, and they are at 11 points already.
That is already a good number for Kim Fajardo. They're trying to seal this first set in a dominant fashion. The lead is now back up to 7.
That we've seen from Samoilenko.
Maganda rin kasing distribution ni Kim Fajardo dun sa local players ng PLDT. They're getting their fair share of attempts and points. Asaka Tamaru will score.
You know when you get a fast Cat Arado, then it's good hit. Yandok will go again. Tapia with a down the line. Multiple set points for PLDT, but the Thunderbells refuse to give up.
In that hit, mas comfortable talaga siya in hitting from the left side compared to the right side. She was a converted opposite hitter dahil nga dun sa players na meron si Coach Jerry ngayon. But from time to time, lumilipat din siya dun sa left pin. And every time she hits from the left, nakakapuntos talaga si Tapia.
Let's see if she gets another one here. A chance now for PLDT to close it out here this first set. Not yet, said Tapia, this time with her defense. Good dive there. Samoilenko puts on the heat.